Welcome back to Be Empowered. On today's video, we are going to black out with, I don't even have this stuff. We are going to black out all the badging and emblems on this Chevy Silverado. We're going to use Plastidip spray, and it's going to be a matte finish, so let's get at it.
We've decided we're going to go ahead and black out these Silverado chrome. What we're going to use today is some black Plastidip. I know there's other videos out on YouTube showing how to do this. It's pretty simple actually. First off, we're going to prep the area and clean it. I've got a bottle with 50% distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to start cleaning the area and prepping it for the Plastidip. You got to make sure you get around all of the letters. Okay, looks like we got all the emblems clean. And now we're going to mask it off with just regular painter's tape. And what you want to do is leave about an inch and a half border around for when you spray your Plastidip. That gives you enough material to pull and pull around. We're going to go ahead and tape it up. We got it all masked off. Now we're going to put the first layer of our Plastidip. We want to give it some shakes, shake up, or some shaky shakes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to spray a 50% covering. We're going to wait 10 minutes, come back and do some more at a different angle to get all the edges of the emblems. And we're going to put about 4 layers on this with about 10 or 15 minutes between each coat. Okay, now we're going to wait. We've got one coat on, it's been about 10, 12 minutes. We're going to go ahead and shoot on coat number 2 and wait another 10 to 12 minutes. This time I'm going to bring it in at an angle and put it on just a little bit thicker, not a whole lot. All right, now we wait. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the third coat. Now we're going to sit here and let this dry. Our next step will be peeling off the masking and the rest of the Plastidip and go around the lettering. We're getting ready to peel the Plastidip off, and we're going to go around all of the lettering. First, we're going to start by pulling off the masking tape, and we have to go real slow around the corners. I like to use a flathead screwdriver that I've rounded the tips off so it's not real sharp. You can use whatever you want, so you use what you feel comfortable using, but I'm going to go ahead and use this when I get to that point. So let's start peeling. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start going around the GM logo. Start by finding you a nice corner of your Plastidip, and you just use both fingers and go real slow. Start at the top. Once you get to the edge, it'll start cutting itself right along the edge of the emblem. Just go real slow and you'll have a nice fine edge. You don't want to get in too big of a hurry. We're going to try to go into the letter of the S real slow. There, just like that. Stuff comes off real easy with just a little elbow grease.
Hello, This here's Big John Deere. You know, them boys at Be Empowered, they decided to go and black out all them logos down there on that there Silverado. Makes it even harder for me to see in the dark. You know how much my family loves to smack the grill of a Chevy Silverado in the middle of the night. Oh, it's such a fun game we like to play. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Wonder what they're gonna do next. If you like today's video, make sure you subscribe. And also click that there ring-a-dingy bell down there in the corner, so you can always know when we have a new video uploaded. We really appreciate you today. We'll catch you on the next one.